Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using the Jooble Freelancer platform. In this in-depth review, we'll explore Jooble, a global job search platform connecting freelancers with employers worldwide. Find direct links to the platform in the description below for easy access. Jooble distinguishes itself as a unique job board by aggregating freelance and remote job listings from numerous sources. This makes it an invaluable resource for freelancers seeking new opportunities. Unlike traditional platforms that require direct interaction between freelancers and employers, Jooble streamlines the process. It gathers listings from a diverse range of job boards and platforms, giving you access to a broad spectrum of freelance opportunities all in one convenient location. One of Jooble's key strengths is its user-friendly interface. Freelancers can easily search for jobs based on categories like writing, design, programming, marketing, and many more. The platform offers robust search filters, enabling users to refine their results by location, salary expectations, and specific job types. By aggregating listings from well-established platforms such as Indeed, Glassdoor, and others, Jooble proves to be an excellent time-saving tool for freelancers who prefer not to trawl through multiple individual sites. Jooble's clean and intuitive interface allows for quick and efficient browsing of available opportunities. Applying for jobs is straightforward. You can apply directly through Jooble, which then redirects you to the employer's website to complete the application process. This eliminates the need to navigate between various job boards, saving you valuable time and effort. Another noteworthy feature is Jooble's job alert system. By setting up personalized notifications, freelancers can stay informed about new listings that match their specific skills and interests. This ensures you never miss out on a relevant job opportunity. Jooble caters to freelancers across various industries who are looking for a centralized platform to discover new projects. If you prefer accessing freelance work from multiple sources without the usual complexity and time investment, Jooble could be the ideal solution for you. For more information and to explore the platform yourself, check out the links provided in the description below.